Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. So today you guys, we are going to be deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator because girl, oh my god, it is a hot mess. Okay, your girl's gotta get it done like now. Okay, it needed to be done like yesterday. But anyways, I told myself in 2021, you guys, I was going to start saving money on food. So this is my first step, deep cleaning the refrigerator, getting it organized, seeing what we really need and what we don't need so our food does not go to waste. Because I honestly feel like that's what we spend majority of our money on in this house is food, by just letting it go to waste, letting the produce go bad, letting the fruit go bad, letting our leftovers go to waste and expire. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. First thing I'm gonna start with is I picked up this handy dandy meal planning planner right here, okay? This has been helping your girl out a lot when it comes to planning and preparing the meals for the week. And then the second step is going to be rearranging and organizing the refrigerator and the freezer, because let's not get into it. Well, we'll get into it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a little while. But anyways, I bought some organizers from Amazon. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you. I'm Anissa and my love bug Rylan over here. Let me see you. Boop! Say hi, baby. Hi, guys. Ah! She's got it down back, Jill. She got it down back. She said, hi, guys. So we would love to have you guys join our YouTube family here. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you know every time that we upload. But let's stop jibber jabbering, you guys. I cannot wait any longer to clean out this refrigerator because it is honestly, it's a mess. So this is our refrigerator. You see how nothing is really like organized, it's just kind of like thrown in there. This is the door. It needs to be deep cleaned so bad, you guys. Look at this. Ugh, so disgusting. Just been neglecting the refrigerator, you guys. So today we are definitely going to get it cleaned out and cleaned up for sure. It's been about, I want to say maybe, no, you know what, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not gonna put a date on the last time I deep cleaned this thing. But anyways, that is our refrigerator, you guys. It just really needs a good cleaning. And this is the freezer. It's just not organized at all. Everything is just thrown in there. There's popsicle stains and frozen strawberry stains. It is just gross. So I'm so tired of seeing it this way. So we are just gonna go ahead and get the thing started. actually broke the glass that goes over the fresh and the crisp drawer. So I've been waiting for USPS all day, but my new one just came in from Amazon. So I want to show you guys the after of what the refrigerator looks like now that it's cleaned out and the glass is back installed, thank gosh. But here is the finished product of our clean refrigerator. It honestly, you guys, looks brand new. And Ryan's like, oh my gosh, it looks so good, babe. But that is it, all cleaned out. But now we gotta get to organizing this stuff. At least I kind of have an idea of how I want to do it, like what products that I want together. I think I'm gonna do all dairy in one container, all our drinks and stuff on the bottom, but I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but let's see what it looks like.